solar panels are designed and built to handle tough weather, snow, and dirt, so after installation, unless something breaks, they should function properly without maintenance. From a mechanical point of view, solar panels don't require maintenance as they have no moving parts that need to be serviced, oiled, or cleaned. Solar experts estimate solar panels to last a very long time, around 30 years, virtually without any intervention. However, a proper maintenance of solar panels guarantees the maximization of their solar energy production and ensure they last a long time. And it is important that regular maintenance is carried out on solar panel systems to ensure they are operating safely, correctly and efficiently. Solar panels generally need very little maintenance in order to ensure they keep working properly and producing solar energy. The most common maintenance operation needed are as follows. Inspection, to detect any damage or issues with the solar panels, such as cracks, scratches, or loose connections. Service, to ensure their optimal functioning for a long time. Repair, if any damage or issues are detected during inspections or testing, repairs may be necessary. Monitoring, to track the performance of the solar panels over time and identify any changes or issues that may need to be addressed. The regular maintenance of a solar panel system should check and ensure solar panels are clean, secured in place and free of defects. There are no deteriorated or corroded parts, the switches do not have any defects and work properly, wiring is not damaged or deteriorated. All electrical components are operating as intended, fittings and cables are securely attached. The benefits of regular solar panel maintenance are as following. Reduces the breakdown, increases the production of energy, extends the lifetime of solar panels and plant, improves the safety. Inspection of solar panels. The inspection of solar panels includes various measures for assessing their actual condition. These involves checking, measurement, observation, assessment and deriving consequences. The performance of a solar panel system is vastly affected due to dust accumulation, module shading and solar panels' physical integrity issues. Consequently, the inspection should focus on assessing the cleanliness of the panels, check if vegetation management is needed in order to avoid panels shading, and identification of issues related to the physical integrity of panels. Visual inspection is needed in order to identify the physical integrity of solar modules. The main problems that may be visually identified with minimum tools are moisture condensation within the solar modules, corrosion of contacts, delamination of cells, small cracks that may occur on the cells. Service of solar panels. Solar panel servicing includes various activities aiming to ensure their optimal functioning for a long time. These mainly comprise visual inspection, cleaning, functional testing and some routine checkups such as corrosion inspection, vegetation management, shade control, wiring verification, etc. Some of the activities that must be conducted during visual inspection of a solar plant are as following. Equipment grounding verification. Identification of hazards. Inspection of weatherproofing systems. Inspection for wiring damage. Identification of damage due to corrosion. Inspection of solar panels mounting. Inspection of solar panels integrity. Identification of cell discoloration. Identification of damage to panel glazing. Verification of panels shading. Verification of panels cleanness. Inspection of unsupported wiring. Identification of ice damage. Identification of water ponding. Solar panels cleaning. Since the energy produced by a solar panel depends on the sunlight it is able to collect, Anything that blocks its exposure to sunlight affects its performance. An accumulation of dust, debris, and other things will reduce the amount of light that reaches the solar cells, negatively affect the solar panels' performance, so their cleaning is required in order to optimize the solar energy production. The need and the frequency of solar panels cleaning depends on several factors, in addition to their installation angle. For example, the location of solar panels in a dusty area or near traffic and other factors contributing to dust accumulation on the solar panels may require more often and more effective cleaning. In countries and areas where it is raining often enough, if the solar panels are tilted, the cleaning is very much helped by the rainfall will actually clear away debris that's accumulated on them. However, during the dry season or extended periods without rain, it's important to clean them, to make sure dirt, leaves, and other debris aren't obstructing the solar rays. In countries and areas where snow is abundant, the removal of the snow deposited on the solar panels may be needed. Depending on the size, installation height, available utilities and equipment, etc., the cleaning of solar panels can be done using pressured water, soap and various tools or special machines. Shade control. Solar systems generate electricity based on the amount of sunlight they receive, therefore when a shadow is cast on panels, the power output decreases substantially. Even a small shade can have a significant impact on the output. Shading can come from a variety of sources. Nearby obstructions, such as trees, buildings, chimneys, antennas or poles. Self-shading from the adjacent solar panel rows. Horizon shading from the terrain surrounding the installation site. Other factors such as panel orientation or soiling. The main activities related to shade control are dealing with vegetation trimming and, when possible, the removal of other obstructions. Repairing of solar panels. During their lifetime, solar panels are exposed to a variety of situations that can damage them. Even if the panels are very resilient, sometimes accidents and extreme weather conditions can lead to damage that requires solar panel repair. Solar panel repair involves the full range of fixes, upgrades, and replacements required to bring a broken or underperforming installation back online. Sometimes, only a single solar panel that needs intervention, while, other times, other system components may need repair or replacement. Damaged solar panels can be repaired, but many times it is better to replace them with new ones. Monitoring the solar panels. A solar panel monitoring system allows for tracking how much energy the panels produce on any given day, and how much they produce over time. Thus, it is possible to see exactly how various external factors affect the panel's performance and how well they are maintaining their efficiency across their lifetime. The constantly monitoring the energy output of solar panels is very useful in order to recognize the need for cleaning, repairing or replacing solar panels. If a decrease in production is noticed, this could be a sign that the panels are obstructed by something. It might be caused by the dirt and debris collected on the panels, so they need to be cleaned. The monitoring system can also alert if a panel breaks or malfunctions and needs repair or replacing.